Look at this 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 3500HD. Carfax has certified this Silverado 3500HD as having one owner. This Silverado 3500HD has just under 136,000 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This Silverado 3500HD boasts a 6.6-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include the Work Truck Preferred Equipment Group, Summit Light, windows, locks and mirrors, power, dark titanium, vinyl seat trim, door locks, power, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear axle, 3.73 ratio, trailer brake controller, integrated, engine block heater, engine, Duramax 6.6L turbo diesel, V20 diesel compatible, transmission, Allison 1000 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled LED, emissions, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements, and the wheels, 17 inches, 43.2 centimeters. Painted steel. Call 888-905-2211 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.